What's up guys, how you guys doing? I know you already know what video this is by the title, but I'm just gonna say it anyway. So this video I'm gonna be following somebody's makeup, and this person today is someone I'm really excited to follow her makeup because this makeup I'm following exactly is a prom makeup. And if you know me, like if you know me personally, you would know that prom is something that I really like, hits something for me because I attended my prom, but it was very mixed and very like it was a very weird situation where, like, I didn't have my makeup done. I didn't have anything. I was anti makeup. I looked like a tomboy. I'm gonna insert the picture right here of what I looked like when I went to prom. And if I went to prom today, if I was to go to prom today, what I'm gonna look like. But regardless of all that, this is Youkee, and I started watching Yuki's video like few months ago, and I can relate with her a lot. She's very honest. She's down to earth. She's spiritual. She's humble, and it's just like, come on, girl. This girl is like, I don't know how she doesn't have a million subscribers already. How? Like, Youkee, how? What's going on? Like, you guys need to go over there and subscribe to her channel. So today we're gonna try to follow this video right here. This one. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna start the video. Ooh, girl. She's so fly, guys. Like, okay, let's skip the intro.
A friend of mine at the time did my makeup, and like me showing up in that little.
I did my makeup myself.
Like, huge, so it's funny how
no foundation.
Just like, had I shown up to prom looking like this, like use another excuse to apply a lot of glitter and some popping red lips and some fawn situation in life. If you have not,
okay, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna start the video by doing her intro. Okay, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Haters are gonna be like, she can't even sing, bruh. Skills, man, mind your business. Move on.
To see how I achieved this look right here with the glitter and the va and the boom, please keep on watching. I'm priming my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan and then setting it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I will be using the Morphe 30.
Alright, she's priming her lids with the LA Girl Pro in Cool Tan, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use my fawn to prime my lids. And she said she's set it with Laura Mercier. I don't have Laura Mercier. I had one before, but the law of gravity took it. It broke. So I'm gonna use my Airspun loose face powder to set it, because this is quite white too. It's not like a yellow one like the Sacha Buttercup. So we're just gonna do that. Alright, girl. Now, one of the reasons why I picked this video is because I kind of have like most of the tough stuff she's using, which is very good, because the other videos I've done, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, let's start.
35O palette for a majority of this look.
Morphe 35O palette. I have it. I have it. Okay. So she's using
majority of this look.
She's using this shade right here, and she's going into the crease. So I'm gonna do the same. Okay. And I'm using the Morphe M33 332 brush. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I just pronounced it. I just butchered it. Okay, well, let's just do what Youkee does, okay? So, blending that over on top.
It's pretty self-explanatory as far as where the colors are being placed. And with this particular cut crease look, the brown really overshadowed everything, so it's possible that you may not
Okay, wait, so we're going to this brown again right here, and she's doing that like right on the bottom here. Oh my god, I haven't even changed my brush yet, but let's continue. See, I'm glad she's like doing her eye first, because this is what I usually do. The other videos I've done so far, they all do their like skin first, and that's very scary for me because it's like, bruh, excuse me, like, can you do your eyes first, because that way we can correct the mistakes after. Like, we're not pro like that, you know. Okay, so she's just going in with the poopy brown, so that very dark brown shade, and okay. All right, let's see what she's doing next.
All of these eyeshadow colors, and I'm taking a clean blending brush to blend everything out with my black opal flawless concealer in the shade.
Okay, wait 1 second. Clean blending brush. You're just blending everything out. I feel like that orange is not popping as. Okay, I'm gonna add some more orange to the outer corner right here, and add some more brown. And
to blend everything out. With my black opal flawless concealer in the shade Honey, I'm cutting my crease. I'm noticing that it's much easier to cut your crease with a creamy concealer as opposed to a liquid one.
Black opal.
After setting,
I don't have that, so I'm gonna use my aliexpress concealer. If I can find my brush, it'd be very nice at this point. Where did you go?
Powder, I'm just going over it with a shimmery eyeshadow.
Okay, where am I seeing the shimmer eyeshadow, which is this one, the same Morphe 35B palette, 35O palette. So it's this champagne one right here.
After setting my cut crease with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm just going over it with a shimmery eyeshadow from the Morphe 35O palette.
She's going in with the Inglot eyeliner. I don't have that, so I'm gonna go in with my Maybellelyn Eye Studio in the blackest black.
Using my Inglot gel liner first, so I know where not to apply the glitter.
Okay. I know it looks a mess right now, but trust me, it's not that bad. I don't have that glitter, but I've got something similar to it. Okay, there it is. Alright, so she's going in with a glitter primer. So I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics one. I'm trying to be as careful as I can, just because the glitter primer was easy to apply. Let's see how the glitter works here. Oh, okay. That wasn't bad. So she went in with an eyeliner, a liquid one. Okay, I told you it wasn't a mess. Okay, so she's to dip in her crease.
Deep in the crease, I went in with this brown color from the Morphe 35O palette, and just blending it out to make sure we have a smooth transition.
What shade? This dark brown right here. Whew. Okay, guys, like, who's not dying for this right now? I am. If I don't drop stuff, okay, it's not me. Alright, so she's going back.
Applied my liner before concealer. I'm just making sure that I have a barrier so that I do not ruin my liner while blending my under eye concealer.
Okay. So what do you do now? Okay, so she's going in. Okay, wait, girl. What was that?
Palette. And and just blending it out to make sure we have a smooth transition.
She went back into this
because I applied
palette,
my liner before concealer, I'm just making
she
sure
went
that
into
I have
this
a
champagne
barrier
color right here,
so
I
that I
believe.
do not ruin my liner while blending my under eye concealer.
Okay, yeah, that's the color she went into it. It doesn't look like that. Okay, she did that over her crease, over her brow bone.
Now applying my little rhinestone.
Rhinestone? Where? So I lied. I don't have a rhinestone, but I'm gonna use this regardless. We gotta do whatever she does, okay? So let's use this around her lip. Now I don't need any color correcting over there, so I'm just gonna like mildly put that in. So I'm going in with my Huda Beauty. And I think I'm just gonna go with my Kat Von D concealer in natural. Oh boy. Yes, so I decided to rush through this because my camera battery was about to die and I wasn't about to let that happen. So for the lip, I went in with the Fenty Uncensored lip, and I went in with my MAC Gold Deposit highlighter.
Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I tried out a lot of new things in this
Cool Tan. Don't have that. So we're gonna go in with our Pro Concealer in Mahogany. If somebody came to my wedding with this much makeup on, I am sending you back home. I'm gonna be that bride at this time that they don't like, you're too dressed, you're too dressed, you're too dressed. You can leave now. Bye. Do you say you're gonna come for me now? Excuse me. Let's finish this look with a spray, okay? I'm getting too excited right now, okay? I get a bit. Jeez. Don't mind my hair is very hot.